Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to unbox the Sony A55 MP3 player. It's a 16GB model, but it can be expanded to a micro SD card slot. The A55 is an evolution of the Sony A series starting from the A30 in 2016. It's basically an iterative update, and this one only came about a few weeks ago. And it was first introduced at IFA 2018. So as you can see right over here, this MP3 player was made in Malaysia, whereas the cable itself was made in China. And you have S-Master HX, DSEE-HX, NFC, Bluetooth, ambient sound, although I'm not really sure what most of these acronyms really mean. You might ask yourself why people are still buying MP3 players when every smartphone can do MP3 playback. That's simply because some people just prefer a dedicated tool after all, and that sometimes the physical buttons, such as this one on this case, will certainly help in usability in certain situations, such as when you are using it without looking at the MP3 player in the first place, which most smartphones with touchscreens can't really do. So let's open this box and see what it contains. Okay. Right, Sony logo over there, box within a box, and here is the MP3 itself. Wow, nice looking weight, by the way. Alright. The design looks pretty familiar, don't you think? Looks quite similar to the Nokia N9 design, as you can see right over here. And for more recent comparison, the Sony Xperia Exact and the Exact One, which is not a surprise since given that both the Exact and the A55's predecessor, the A30, were both unveiled at the same IFA in 2016. So here you have a 3.1-inch WVGA touchscreen. The left is where you can put the micro SD card slot. The right you have the power button, the volume keys, play, pause, rewind, go back to the previous track, fast forward, go to the next track, and the whole switch that I assume is used to disable the touchscreen of the player. On the bottom, we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, which Sony inexplicably removed in their latest flagship smartphones for whatsoever reason. And this is their proprietary charging and USB syncing dock, which is a bit unfortunate because given that these cables are not very easy to find, and you could have done much better by using, at the very least, a micro USB port. And on the back we have what appears to be a nice plastic finish, which is necessary for the NFC connections, the Walkman logo, and some various regulatory labels that you probably are not interested in. Right, here we have what appears to be a disclaimer regarding the earphones. And next we have, well, the cable itself for connecting the A55, the proprietary Walkman 1, as well as a quick start guide and a more detailed instruction manual. So that's about it for the Sony A55 Walkman MP3 player. It's a pretty iterative design, to be honest, given that the design was originally released back in 2016. And nothing really has changed. But at the very least, Sony is still committed to updating their Walkman MP3 players, not unlike Apple, which basically given up on iPods and only has the iPod Touch installed, and it hasn't been updated in specs at all in the past 3 years. So well, I hope you enjoyed my video, and do remember to like, comment and subscribe if you found it useful. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.